أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to our first session of Correct Your Salah Pronunciation. In our first session, we aim to complete Takbeer, Dua Istiftah, Isti'adha, Basmala. Week 2, our focus will be on Surah Al-Fatiha. Week 3, we'll cover Surah Al-Ikhlas, Dua of Ruku and Rising Up. Week 4, Dua of Sajda, At-Tahiyat. Week 5, Salawat, Dua and Taslim. In today's lesson, inshallah, we'll cover Takbir and Dua Istiftah. We begin our prayer by saying Takbir, Allahu Akbar. Make sure when you're saying Allahu Akbar, the lam in the name of Allah should be pronounced heavy. Allahu, it shouldn't be read as Allahu. And the same lam needs to be prolonged to 2 counts. Allahu, it's not Allahu. Rather, lam should be prolonged up to 2 seconds. Allahu. Next word is Akbar. Kaf has sukoon, hence you will do hams on kaf, which means you let breath out. Ak. It's not Akbar. Rather, do hums on kaf. Let some breath flow out. Akbar. And the ra is going to be heavy. Allahu Akbar. It's not Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now Dua Istiftah. The dua that you make in the beginning of the prayer, it's called the opening dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك. Let's take each word at a time. First word is Subhanaka. The second letter ba, you have to bounce it. Sub. It's not sub. Bounce it. Sub. Ha needs to come from middle of the throat, not bottom. It's not subha. Rather, it is subha. Subha. Prolong your ha to 2 counts. Don't say subhanaka. It's subhanaka. Subhanaka. Next word is Allahumma. Once again, the lam in the name of Allah will be heavy. Subhanaka Allahumma. You see the last letter is meme. It has the W sign which is called shadda. Whenever meme has shadda, you do ghunna. Ghunna means you take sound to the nose and stay there for 2 counts or 2 seconds. Subhanaka Allahumma. Don't say Allahumma. Do ghunna. Allahumma. Next word is wabihamdika. The only letter I want you to focus is ha. Don't say ha. Say ha. Wabihamdika. It's not wabihamdika. Rather it is wabihamdika. Subhanaka Allahumma wabihamdika. وَتَبَارَكَ اسْمُكَ. Prolong the ba. وَتَبَا. Don't say وَتَبَا. وَتَبَا. Next, make your ra heavy. It's ra. It's not ra. A heavy ra is ra. A light ra sounds like ra. Ra. وَتَبَارَكَ اسْمُكَ. وَتَبَارَكَ اسْمُكَ. Next word is وَتَعَالَى. It is ayn, not hamza. وَتَعَا. It's not وَتَعَا. The sound of ayn is a. Sound of hamza is a. A. وَتَعَالَى. وَتَعَا. Prolong the lam to 2 counts. وَتَعَالَى. Next word is simple, easy peasy. Jadduka. Jadduka. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك. Prolong the lam to 2 counts. Wala, it's not wala, wala. Make your ghain in the last word heavy. Wala ilaha ghay, ghay. It's not ghay, ghay. Rather it is ghay. Then there is ra. It has dhamma. Make that ra heavy. Ghayruk. ولا إله غيرك. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتبارك اسمك وتعالى جدك ولا إله غيرك. I hope you benefited from the video. If you've liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Jazakallahu khairan.